Hi folks, welcome back to another episode. So we are in the stunning Glencoe, or could you call it the Rannoch Moor area? So if you guys remember a while back, Bluetti sent out their Apex 300 power station along with the Hub D1, which is up here. And using the Hub D1, basically it gives us straight out the gate two 12-volt sockets along with 4 USBs. Now if we want to take it a wee bit further, the Hub D1 could be connected to your fuse board in your camper van. And the Hub D1 is an amazing accessory to have with the Apex 300 or the B500K, B300K expansion batteries, as it gives you a way to have 12 volt in your camper van if you don't want to deal with the whole leisure battery system. So basically it can give you up to 50 amps if you connect it to your fuse board. But this video isn't about the Hub D1 because Bluetti actually do another variant of it, which is called the DC Hub. Essentially the DC Hub is similar to the Hub D1, but the only major difference is in its connection. The Hub D1, you can connect it straight to a power station like the Apex 300 or the expansion batteries like the B300K or the B500K, whereas the DC Hub connects to the Charger 2 only. So bear in mind, you do need the Charger 2 for the DC Hub to work, but in my opinion, if you've got the Charger 2, this is the hub you need, and let me show you why. So on first glance, it looks exactly like the Hub D1. It's got the same handle at the back, you've got the same two 12 volt, and you've got the same 4 USBs, and you've also got the 2 ports in the middle there, and you've also got the same on-off button, which does change to 12 volt or 24 volt. And at the top, you've got that Anderson connection, so this can get wired into your fuse board. Now I'm going to put a picture up here what the connector's like with the DC Hub and the difference between the Hub D1, because this is already connected into the Charger 2 and I don't have a screwdriver to take it out. The Hub D1's got the big thick barrel connection and that goes in to the power station, whereas with the DC Hub it's only got a red and black positive and negative wire, and it's also got an Ethernet cable, so you basically plug all 3 of them into the Charger 2. So what are the main differences with the DC Hub to the Hub D1, and why do I think this one's better? The first one lies in the connection. The Hub D1 uses the big barrel connection that goes into the expansion port. DC Hub uses the positive and negative, and it's got dedicated ports on the Charger 2. So what that means is you're actually gaining an expansion slot back. So opting to go for the DC Hub, if you've got the Charger 2, you now have an extra slot for an extra expansion battery. So if you've got the B300K or the B500K, you can slot another one in the space that the Hub D1 was actually taking. Another positive of the DC Hub, the Charger 2 advertises that you can actually reverse charge. That's only with the DC Hub, so you can't do that with the Hub D1. So this means when the car's stationary, you can actually set it in the Charger 2 for reverse charging, so that the power station trickle charges through Charger 2 with the DC Hub back to your starter battery, just to trickle charge it when you're stationary. The next one is better alternator pass-through efficiency. So in simpler terms, the Hub D1 wants to go straight to the power station from the alternator, and then it's going to the Hub D1 for your 12 volt appliances. So it's kind of making an extra step just to get to the Hub D1. With the Hub DC, it bypasses the power station as a priority and focuses more on your load devices like your 12 volt stuff, and that's the main difference. Again, you can also hook this up to your fuse board and get the 12 volt 50 amps, 24 volt 25 amps. So using the DC Hub over the Hub D1 just opens a ton of possibilities in power management, power routing and power usage. So let me show you how I've got it connected in the van, temporarily because I'm still mid-build, so things are still getting moved about, but this is what I'm working with just now. We've got the Charger 2 on the wall over there, we've got the B500K there, we've got the Elite 300, and at the top we've got the DC Hub. But we will cover all of this in another video. So guys, this is just a quick video showing the DC Hub stacked against the Hub D1, but Bluetti did send out the DC Hub along with the B500K, and I've been messing about with it and messing about with some configurations along with the Charger 2. So I've got a good few videos coming out showing how we can turn the featureless B500K expansion battery into a fully functioning 5,000 watt hour power station with solar. I've also got a video coming out on the Charger 2 with a secret mode that no one's talking about, and I've also got another video coming out on the B500K and how to make it usable expansion for any power station. So if you want to see those videos along with a few other videos I've got cooked up, then make sure to get subscribed. So guys, I'm going to call it there for the episode. If you do want to go and pick up the DC Hub for yourself, again, you do need the Charger 2 in order for the setup that I showed you to work, then I'll leave a link to it in the description and in the comments. And if you use that link along with this promo code BLUETTIROBOT, you'll get a nice 5% off your total order. So guys, if you did go and enjoy the episode, why not drop me a wee like and let me know in the comments. Let me know if you've got the DC hub and how you're using it. Let me know if you've got the Charger too and you're looking to pick up the DC hub, but you just didn't know the configurations that you could use it. There's a lot of secret ways that you can use it that no one's talking about, and I'm going to cover them soon. So if you do want to see them, make sure to get subscribed and hit that bell notification so you're notified when the videos come out. So if you do have any questions, drop them below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.